Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as I promised, I'm back with a new video which is a tutorial where I will explain you that how can you publish your ebook on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing website for free. So I am publishing here my own book and simultaneously I will explain you that how can you publish your book. So first of all we will type here KDP Publisher. You have to just go on the first website. Here you have to make your account where it will ask you some details, your name, your address, bank account details that for the source where you will get paid when you upload your you publish your book. So here I will sign in as I have made my account already. So I will just sign in. Then I will go and click over here Kindle ebooks. So here there are two options, Kindle ebook and paperback, but now we are publishing right now Kindle ebook, so I will click over here. So the language of my book is English, so I will keep it over English. Title of my book is The Ordeal, so I will type it over here. Subtitle, it's optional. I have not write any subtitle. My book is not in series option, so there is no addition. I will write here my name, Manasvi Tiwari. There are no contributors for the book. Okay, so here you have to write first name and last name on different box. So I will write here Tiwari here. Then I have a description, so I have written the description and copied it, so I will just paste it over here. Okay. Oh, I have copied it half, so give me a sec and I will copy full description. So I will pause the video. So I've copied now my descriptions. I will paste it over here. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, so I've pasted it. I own the copyright. This is a public domain work. No, it is not. Keywords. Okay, I will write here keywords. My book is spiritual, so spiritual book. You have to write some words which are related to your book. So it is a book based on feminism also. So I will write feminism. Ordeal, as the title of the book is Ordeal. What else could I write for my book? Okay. It is motivational also for all the women. Okay, so I will write here only four um, keywords. So I will select a category. My book is fictional, general. Okay, save. I will write one more category, that is fictional book. Okay, so now we will move ahead. So what are the age? So I think my book can be read by 12 to 13 years till 18 plus. And grade, so we'll talk about grades. So 6th grade to 12th. Okay, I'm ready to release my book right now, so I will save and continue. So now we have moved on the second page where I will publish my book. So here I have to publish my ebook which I have saved. Okay, just wait for a second. I've come over here. I will select the audio and okay. It is uploading, taking some time, so I will pause for that. Okay, so my document has been uploaded. Now I will go for the cover page. So who have hired somebody and then told them to make their cover image. So you have to click over here, upload a cover you already have, and you have to just go in the file manager and upload it. But now I have not created one, and I have the background image for my launch cover photo. So I will click over here, launch cover photo. This is for those who have not created the cover image, only they have the background image for that. So here this kind of screen is there. I think the net is slow. No, full signal is there. So I will see primary cover image or author bio photo. So just, I think net is slow. I will pause for a minute and then check it. Okay. Okay, so I have, when I opened it again, so I have this type of screen in front of me. So here are the like steps. How can we make the launch cover photo? So I know the steps. I will do continue. I will choose image from my computer. If you wanna choose, I will browse. Okay, wait. So I've chosen my image from the gallery, and now it has been uploading. So I have to choose that which one like layout I like. So I think I have to zoom. So let me take some time. Which is choosing this one. Okay. So let's zoom it some out. Okay. So I don't want to change any font color or the background color. I like this font, so I will save it as it is. If you want to change the color of the font, you can click here. Some buttons are given here. You can click over there and change the color of the font, uh, the writing of the font, and everything. So just I have to save over here. Saving. Now I will preview. It is taking some time. Okay, so now I don't want to do any changes once again, so I will save it and submit it. If you will do this on PC, I think it will be more easier for you, because in phone or in tablet it is a much like small screen, and it is difficult for us to click on the buttons, and I think that's why it is very much time consuming. It is working slow, but I think you can do it on computer very fast. Okay, so my cover photo is also uploaded. um, so it is processing the file. Let's wait for a minute. So my cover photo is also uploaded successfully. So I think I've clicked the button accidentally. uh, so I will see a launch preview of my book where it will show how my book will look. So I will click on it. You can forward the video 10 seconds ahead. Okay, so this is how my books look. Sorry, book looks. Okay, so oh, this will be how my book will look to everybody. Okay, now I cannot. I hope it will be fine. We'll go back. So now I don't have an ISBN of my book, but if you have, you can type it over here. Save and continue. Again, you can forward the video 10 seconds ahead. Okay, so I will do available all territories. Okay, my book is in English, so I can do it in all territories. Now I will select for 35% royalty. Now why I am selecting 35%? Because I have selected, yeah, added some images from Google in my book which are copyright free, but then too I don't think that I have created that image, and that's why I'm taking 35% royalty. If you have written your book totally by yourself, like you have not taken anything from anywhere, you can select 70% royalty over here. Okay, so now I will select the price of my book. So I'm going to select $2. I'm going to select $2 over here, and let's see what is the price in other countries. So it's 147 Indian rupees, GBP, euros, euros. Okay. Then book lending, allow your customers to lend your Kindle ebook after purchasing. Okay. So after 72 hours, okay, it can take up to 72 hours of for your title to be available for purchase on women Amazon. Okay, what I have selected now. This was just accidentally, I didn't clicked on any button. So I will publish my Kindle book. I think everything is ready. So it is done. Okay. So my book is published. It can take 72 hours, but most of the time it comes before only. Before 72 hours, my book will be here on Amazon. They are giving the maximum time. So that's all with the video. If you like the video, uh, you got some knowledge from the video, like the video, share the video with your writer friends, subscribe the channel to get the another tutorial. Sorry for my stumbling. uh, Subscribe the channel for the another tutorial for how to publish paperback on Amazon KDP, which I'm going to shoot just now after completing this video. So take care. See you in the next video. So bye bye. Subscribe the channel. Okay.